Ken Fleming, one of your Destination Kent State Flash Guides. You've already heard from Kaylee about how to get involved on campus, and I'm here to touch on how to be safe while on campus and some of the resources that Kent State has to offer. First and foremost, Kent State University has been the safest university in Ohio 6 out of the last 10 years. Your safety comes first here at Kent State. There are a few things I want to make you aware of before coming to campus. Kent State University has its own award-winning police department with its own law enforcement officers and civilian support staff. Second, KSU has its own security aid program. Our security program is composed of 65 trained students employed by the Department of Resident Services. These students patrol the residence halls and provide escorts. Escorts are available while security is on duty. Third are the Blue Emergency phones. These phones are available outside of the School of Music and the School of Theater and Dance. They're also available on the sidewalk between Centennial Court A and the Center for Performing Arts. These phones dial right to the police department. While these security measures are in place, we do encourage you to use the buddy system when walking through campus late at night. Kent State Security is committed to your safety and security while on campus. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a follow on TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.